at that. This car is still in jack stands. And look at the wheel gap, low. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. So I wasn't thinking of making this video this quickly, but one day I was looking around the internet, specifically Amazon, and I found a great deal on a set of coilovers for the coupe, and today I'm going to be installing them. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys these coilovers, and let me tell you guys that for the price, these coilovers are pretty good. The quality of them is great, so let's get into it. As you can see, I bought the REV9 coilovers. So these coilovers were for about 400 bucks with about 100 bucks of shipping. So it was maybe about 500 bucks for this whole setup. And right here I just have like one coil for the front. This is a front coil, and I have the chock for the back and the spring. And this is the end link. So yeah, this coilovers, for the money you pay, I mean, it's pretty good quality. It's fully adjustable. You have adjustable dampening in the front, and in the rear you also have adjustable dampening right here in this ring. Practically everywhere you can adjust your high right. You can adjust your high right from the spring, and you can adjust it right here from the chock too. So overall, everything is practically adjustable on this coilover system from REV9. And specifically, these coilovers are the REV9 Hyper Street Performance Suspension. They bring practically everything you need for the install. Here in the front coilover, you have your nut for when you are going to put it up here. And you also have your nuts for the end links. For these two bolts, you're going to be using the OEM bolts that the car brings. And as well for right here, this install should be pretty straightforward. You just have to, like, let me show you guys. Get this bolt that is right here out of here, and yeah, after that, I think I gotta get this bolt out. And yeah, I think that is going to be it. So like I told you, I bought this coilover system from Amazon. So I'm gonna put a link down in the description of this video. If you guys are interested, make sure to go down below and check that out. I'm gonna stop babbling and get to work. Okay guys, so that was pretty easy. We already got the shock and spring out of the car. So as you can see, the spring is significantly lower, even though I already like adjusted it right here, because I've heard from a couple of friends from here in Puerto Rico that these coilovers in the back actually are pretty low. So I don't want to be like totally slammed in the back, just because the roads here in Puerto Rico are absolutely trash. So I adjusted it here a little bit. That's about maybe an inch lower, and the shock is also like an inch. So one thing to notice from this coilovers is that this back part has the, like, this fitting right here, it has it on the side, and I actually don't know if that is going to be an issue, but whatever. I'm just going to install this and you know, see how it goes. So another thing to notice from this system is that actually this doesn't say like where it goes, you know. This doesn't like tell me if this is the right one or the left one. So I'm just gonna have to like figure that out. So if you can see, like, nowhere says like this is the right one or the left one. So yeah, so I'm gonna figure that out and let you guys know where each one goes. So let's get to it. can even fit like 2 fingers in there, and this car is still in jack stand. So this car is going to be slammed in the floor. I hope this car is not too slammed in the floor, because that is going to be a problem here in the roads of Puerto Rico, because we have a lot of potholes and a lot of roads here are fucking bad as fuck. So I hope that is not an issue. So let's get the car down and look at how it looks. I'm very curious on how it's going to see, because the front side of the car is already lowered, because you know I did a video cutting those springs, but I left the back side of the car OEM. You know, I didn't touch that side, so the car is going to be significantly lower right now. So let's get the car on the floor. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Well, you can't see it right here, but on this side I think you guys can see it better. Oh my god, look at that, bro. Look at that fitment. I'm tucking a little bit of the tire here, so the fitment should be mint. So you can see right now the front is a little bit higher than the back, but we're gonna take care of that right now. So boys, we finally have both front coilovers out of the car, and let's compare it. Look at this fat ass boy and this little tiny and good looking new coilover. So yeah, we're halfway there. I'm so excited to finish this. So yeah, let's put in this new coilovers and finish this job. Alright guys, so we finally have everything installed, and now it's just time to lower the car and show it to you guys. So what I'm going to do is lower the car. I'm not going to show you guys that because you have seen that a lot of times, so I'm not going to show you that. I'm going to jump right into the review video of the car. So I hope you guys enjoy this time lapse. So guys, just like that, we're once again back home. So I hope you guys like how the coupe is sitting right now, because that fitment is just great. Even though I have like this horrible wheel gap right here, like the wheel is all the way in there, but we are going to take care of that, and I actually have something coming pretty soon. So with all of that being said guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to go down below, hit that like button, and you might as well just subscribe to this channel, because we have a bunch of things coming for the coupe and you don't want to miss out on it. So from out here in Puerto Rico guys, take care, because the world is crazy right now. So please take care. See you guys in the next one, and remember, never give up.